Hi, this is Brent with Kansas Hydrographics. We are back with Pattern of the Week. We are still battling monster humidity. And even I am pretty much using training wheels at this point for the monster tape all around the print trick. Alright. This is a 50 centimeter wide print. It is full color with 0 transparencies. There's yellow, orange, and red ink in this film. Suggested color for base would be white to get the truest color out of all the inks. It's a 60-second soak time on a 90-degree temperature water. This print is, I think, identical to the pink flame that we are releasing as well. It's just, but the pink flame does have some transparencies in it. This one doesn't. Alright, that is backdraft on a white base coat. That turned out a lot nicer than I thought it would. That's a pretty neat print, really. You can purchase this at KansasHydrographics.com. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.